I can't think of a better time to review a back brace than when you actually throw your back out, which happened to me a couple days ago, and I thought I'd do this review. This is the Mueller Lumbar Support Back Brace, and I use this whenever I throw my back out, unfortunately, and it's excellent. It has the initial strap that you saw me do, and then it has these two wings to help you really tighten it. It's flexible where you need it, and it gives the support where you need the support. So here it is with it under my shirt. So it's pretty low profile. It doesn't really look like you're wearing a back brace, but if you've thrown your back out before, you know you have that walk. Anybody can spot it if they know what they're looking for, but it at least doesn't have a bulky profile, and you can move around with it. It's not going to impede other movement than what happens when you throw your back out. Now, your back going out isn't the only time that you would wear this. Obviously, if you're prone to having back pain and you're going to be doing some heavy lifting, this is definitely an excellent support. Here is the back of the brace. As you can see, it's got this mesh material, so it breathes quite a bit. And it's got this pocket where you can reverse this pad. You can either have the rigid or this kind of fabric pad side. I prefer the rigid, but you can also fit a hot and cold pack back there, depending on what you need. It has the initial Velcro strap. This side is rough. The other side is the softer type of Velcro material. So you strap it on with that, and then you have these additional Velcro straps to tighten it. And it tightens with this elastic material. So it's very flexible. It does have these rigid bands inside on the left and right. And it is machine washable. So it's got these rigid bands and this. And that combined with cinching the whole belt tight does all the work. It's lightweight. It's very lightweight, actually. And it's not awkward. It gives you the support exactly where you need it and the flexibility where you need it for the rest of moving around and mobility. So it's excellent. I love it. It's my go-to. I never feel like I need a different one. It's never a chore to put on. This is the Mueller Sports Medicine Lumbar Back Support. I put a link in the description where you can pick this up, and let me know in the comments if there's a different one that you prefer. And please give it a like so that other people suffering with back pain can know that this would be a good product or review.